Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to create a Trust Wallet account. So the first step is jumping into your Play Store or your App Store and typing in Trust Wallet. And you are going to download it. Now, this is what it looks like here. It's a little blue badge with a slight bit of green on it. And then you're going to tap on open once this has installed. From here, you can see that there is a get started button at the bottom of the page, and you're going to tap on the get started. Here you are going to create a new wallet, and we are going to go ahead now and tap on create new wallet. So we're going to go ahead and say skip for now. This is the back up your secret phrase. Now you can back this up to your Google Drive, or you can back it up manually. What are we gonna do for now is just go ahead and tap on skip, and on the next page you will have to create a password. So passcodes add an extra layer of security when using the app. So as you can see down at the bottom, you have the fingerprint option. If you have activated the fingerprint option on your device and you've set it up, you can use that. However, if you would like to then just use a passcode, we are going to use a passcode. So we are going to go ahead and just use a very simple passcode, as this is just a sample account. And now it says welcome aboard. Your wallet is now ready to use. Dive in and start your crypto journey. Stay secure. We're going to tap on start using Trust Wallet, and here you can see you can either allow or not allow notifications. That's fine. I'm not going to allow it. You've now successfully created a Trust Wallet. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.